CBD Mobile App, a smarter way to manage your everyday banking. Requesting a balance certificate in the CBD Mobile App is quick and simple. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process. To request your balance certificate, log in to the CBD Mobile App using your preferred method, either by using Face ID, UAE Pass, or by entering your password. From the home screen, there are several ways to reach the Services section. You can tap the profile icon, the Services icon, or the banner at the bottom of the screen. Once you are in the Services section, tap Balance Certificate. Choose whether you would like to issue the certificate for one account or all accounts. Then, select the account for which you would like to generate the certificate. You will also see the current balance of the selected account and any applicable service fees. Next, choose to whom the letter will be addressed. You can select Myself or Other Entity. If you select Other Entity, enter the entity name. The entity address can also be added if available. Then, choose the currency in which the value should be displayed, and select the language in which the certificate should be issued, either English or Arabic. Once all the information has been entered, tap Next. A confirmation screen will appear, showing the details of your request. If everything looks correct, tap Request Certificate to submit your request. The system will generate your balance certificate, which will only take a moment. Once the certificate is ready, it will appear on your screen, and you will have the option to download or share it. If you are happy with it, tap Done to return to the Services section. You can also find the certificate anytime in the History section. And that's it! Your balance certificate has been successfully generated. With the CBD mobile app, managing your banking documents is simple, secure, and fully digital. Don't have the app yet? Download it now and enjoy simple, secure banking on the go.